gentlemen, I am going to talk about the new product of Apple, the iPad. I am going to divide
My talk?
my talk into three main parts. Firstly, I am going to talk about some aspects of iPad. Secondly, I am going to talk about leadership. And thirdly, I am going to talk about innovation. On the one hand, I can say that the iPad needs no introduction, but I am going to talk about some aspects, as it has from 16 to 64 gigabytes of flash memory and Bluetooth. Also, there are two models, one with Wi-Fi connectivity and one with 3G connectivity. On the second hand, this product is the market leader as the company Apple Inc. And the third and last hand, iPad will continue being the leader product in its category because often a new model goes on the market. The iPad will be more important in education and in countries as Andorra and France. It's being
Used? It's being used?
It's being used in France and Andorra. Thank you, everybody. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Do you have an iPad?
Yeah, I have an iPad mini.
iPad mini. And how much is an iPad mini?
Of money?
Yeah.
It's not expensive, from $500.
$500. Okay. Okay, thank you, Jonathan.